All right, Will on YouTube. It's been 105 days since I had my citizenship interview, but the decision hasn't been made yet. I did pass the test, but the interviewer kept on asking his coworker questions. What can I do?
For your citizenship, they have 120 days to make a decision. So at 105, there's nothing you can do. At 120, you can still wait for a decision, or you can go into federal court with a de novo review and ask a federal judge to make the final decision.
Sharon K's on Facebook. What's happening for pending asylum cases?
If you filed recently, you should have an interview. If you filed years ago, you get an interview sometime at the end of the world.
Oh, yeah. Karen Clark Jones on Facebook. I paid for my daughter's green card 2 months ago and still haven't received anything. Is there a number I can call or email?
Yeah, you call the 1-800 number at the uscis.gov. And by the way, with the asylum case that I said before, I was making a joke, but the answer is for people who have pending asylum cases for years, if it's a good case, you're going to want to file a mandamus.
Josephine Latham on Facebook. If you have an American passport and are a naturalized citizen and the passport has your married surname, but you're now divorced and changed back to your maiden name, can you send in your divorce decree and apply for a new passport with your maiden name?
Absolutely.
Okay, Yoshi on YouTube. If I have an I-130 petition in process, green card holder filing for an unmarried child over 21, will I be able to renew my non-immigrant visa successfully without any drawbacks from USCIS?
What is the non-immigrant visa? Most likely, non-immigrant visa is non-immigrant intent. You have a case for a green card, I think you're going to have a problem.
Don Harriet on Facebook. If you go to the airport and say you're coming to get married on a visitor's visa, will you be turned away at the airport?
Most of the time, yes.
Jennifer Paganson on YouTube. I'm going to file an I-130 this year. I received a removal notice in 2019, but when I checked recently, it was closed due to non-prosecution. What should I do?
Does she have a green card?
I'm going to file the I-130 this year.
You need a lawyer to confirm everything you're just saying.
Yvonne Stewart on YouTube. If I visit my daughter in the U.S. and start filing while I'm here, can I go back to Jamaica until it comes through?
Say it again?
If I visit my daughter in the U.S. and start filing while I'm there, can I go back to Jamaica until it comes through?
Say that one last time.
Yeah, so if I visit my daughter in the U.S. and start my filing while I'm there, so I guess here in the U.S.,
yes,
can I go back to Jamaica?
Yeah, okay, I understand now.
Okay. Navdeep on YouTube. I have a VAWA approved individual hearing in May 2022 for an I-485. What should I prepare for a judge interview?
I don't know all the facts of your case, so I need to know a lot more.
Janice Olivier on YouTube. I got my green card last year. Can I bring my son to America and file for his green card?
How did you get your green card?
Paola Rabasa on Facebook. Stayed in New York for 4 months. I didn't work and I overstayed my B1, B2 visa. I've been working remotely since the beginning of the pandemic, so I was able to provide for myself while there. What problems could I face next time I travel there, and which documents can I bring to prove my point?
Well, you can't prove your point because you overstayed your time by 4 months. So once you overstay your time, you violate your visa status, whether you worked remotely or you feel you worked undocumented or not. You overstayed. Your visa is no good.
All right. Victory Smith on YouTube. What about immigration court? I did not attend my interview. Now I have to go to immigration court. What should I do?
You better get a lawyer because immigration court's for deportation.
Okay.
I have no idea what interview he's referring to.
Yeah. Okay. Rosie Rose on YouTube. Can a U.S. citizen adopt his late brother's daughter who is in the U.S. studying? She's 16 now, although her mom is alive and in Nigeria and supports this.
It's too late to adopt because the child's over 16. But if you've been listening to our show, we've been talking about special immigrant juvenile. You can definitely do that and get her a green card.
Okay. Tahir Saifi. I came to the U.S. on a B2 visa in September 2014. Over there, I met a girl, and we decided to get married. I applied for an extension in March 2015 and received the response from USCIS till September 2015. I got married in December 2015 and she filed for my adjustment of status based on marriage. Things got bad between us after 4 months of our marriage. And then I came to know she was dating another guy, and everything was ruined. I was in good faith of marriage. And that is all I see. So I don't know what Tahir is
it sounds like you need a lawyer.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
That's it.
That's it. All right. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.